Hey everybody, now this is an old school problem that used to affect the Turbomax Plus when it first came out. I haven't seen this in years and years, so I filmed this one just to show you.
Swollen ball. It's only a crack open for hot water and it's closed for heating, whereas this one is crack open for hot water and quite open for heating. Swollen balls since 1998.
Swollen balls are not good for anyone. Just so you know, they present themselves as a plate heat exchanger being blocked usually. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, just a quick one.